Hey, wait 1 second. My name is Tim Brown and I'm the owner of Hook Agency. We help people with professional visibility online. If you have a website, you want it to be professional so that it represents you well, and you want it to be visible so that it gets more traffic and more leads from places like Google. About 6 years ago, I was graduating from college, and to be honest, I got myself into a job that was somewhat soul-sucking. And I started to write for publications and link back to my website. And I was able to get more traffic from Google that way, and it led to leads and money. I can do the same thing for you and your business. You know, I got in the top 5 results for Minneapolis web design in a city with 500 plus agencies. Your niche is likely a lot less competitive on Google than terms for digital marketing. And so I can wield the knowledge that I've gotten over the years and get you more traffic and more leads. If you'd like to talk with me a little bit about what I can do, email me at tim@hookagency.com. Looking forward to chatting with you.